A guide you to copy YouTube channel link in mobile. So let's share the YouTube channel link by copying over that. So let's firstly go to the YouTube here, and after going into the YouTube, you need to tap on the U, which means your channel here. So let's tap on that, and after tapping on that, you need to tap on view channel. So by tapping on view channel here, you can go to your channel. That you need to tap on the more, which is the description. So by tapping on more here, you could find the www.youtube.com, which means your channel info. So if you tap on that, here you could copy that link, or otherwise you can do is that you need to tap on three dots here and you can tap on share, which is the second way that you can copy link. The third way is that you need to scroll like this to find the share channel, which is below your channel. So if you tap on that, here also you could find that copy link option, which is the third. So in these three cases, you can copy your YouTube channel link. So after tapping on copy YouTube channel link, from there you can copy that, and let's say you can go to the Instagram, and after going over that you can go to any of the chats. So let's say I'm going ahead into this and I'm tapping on this and giving a send. So this is how you could copy YouTube channel link and share YouTube channel in your mobile. Thank you.